So you always see these insane people doing calisthenics skills online, and they're just defying gravity, showcasing their superhuman strength. And then you think to yourself, I wish that was me. So you end up putting a goal for yourself that, okay, I'm gonna start calisthenics this year and start learning these insane skills and change my life around. But what ends up happening? You don't start, you procrastinate because you get lost and confused. How should I start? But you're missing out on the real benefits. And I know it looks intimidating at first, but trust me, when you have the proper guide, which is what I'm going to give you in the end of the video, and I will also give you a challenge which might help you unlock your first calisthenics skills in the next 2-3 days. And everyone who's tried it literally unlocked at least one skill. Make 2025 your year. Do not procrastinate like what you did every other year. Oh, I'm going to start calisthenics this year. 2024 is going to be my year. It wasn't. So make sure 2025 you start calisthenics and you start transforming your life, because it will change your life for sure, and you're gonna find out how. So why you should start calisthenics in 2025? You're about to find out. Let's get it. Okay, reason number one, you can do it anywhere and anytime. So first of all, you're not gonna have any commitment to go to the gym. You don't need a car to travel or take a bus or whatever to go to a gym and then start working out, where you've already wasted 1 hour to travel probably, or 30 minutes, another 30 minutes to get ready into the gym and everything, and then to start working out. Like, you're just wasting a lot of hours. With calisthenics, you can just drop to the ground in your house and just start. And this will help you in the long run, where you won't be missing out sessions because I couldn't go there and I couldn't go to the gym. No, you can. You can literally just do it right now in your room. And what if you had to travel, or you're going out camping with your friends? Your friends are gym bros and they're like, oh, I'm gonna miss my workout for the next 2 days. This sucks. And then you, on the other hand, you drop on the ground, get into handstand and start doing handstand push-ups, and your friend's like, what the? You won't be missing sessions because you can do it anywhere. You're walking in a park, you see a bar, you're like, you know what, this looks very nice. And then there's a beautiful lady on the other side and you're like, this is a great opportunity to, first of all, impress the lady and get a workout. Jump on the bar, start doing muscle ups, and then you get the lady, you get a pump, you get muscles, you get strength. Forget the lady part. Anywhere you go, you can do calisthenics. You can do it anywhere. And you can easily get like a proper workout session. And you don't even need equipment, so perfect. Reason number two. Look, inflation is going up. And gym membership prices are just going through the roof, you know? So it's just going to be another concern. So this is when calisthenics comes in. And it's like, hey, listen, you don't need to pay me anything, because you can just drop and do a push-up. No one's gonna come here and charge you for push-ups, all right? You don't need any money to start. And I've seen a lot of people and friends of mine who are like, yeah, once I get this money, I'm gonna save up and then pay for a gym membership and blah, blah, blah. Bro, you don't need that. You just begin right now. So it's sustainable. You can do it for years and you won't be worried about paying a membership and wasting your money on the gym. It's not a waste of money, of course, because you're going there for health benefits, but you might as well just do it at your home or out there in nature, you know, get that sun, vitamin D and good workout. So it's beautiful. You feel more connected to nature. I'm just saying. Reason number three, it builds raw strength and mobility. Let's just think of a basic exercise, the push-ups, right? You're having your wrist just like this at kind of a 90-degree angle, right? And because of this, this helps with your wrist mobility. Since you're working your full body, you're going to be using a lot of joints as stabilizers and to help you with the movement. So this means you're going to get stronger joints. So you won't be that old man who's struggling to walk because you have stronger joints. You've built stronger joints over the year. Strength also transfers to real world strength. And I know this is the typical example everyone gives you, but if you're hanging on a cliff and you're about to fall, what you can do is, oh, I'm gonna fall, bam, muscle up. You're not gonna fall anymore. Whereas if you were like stiff, buff guy, you won't even be able to grip the cliff or the edge, so you're gonna just fall out. But because the movements are more functional and they use your full body, you're gonna learn how to use your full body, literally, and you're gonna use a lot of joints, a lot of mobility. The handstand, when you practice towards the handstand and get the handstand, guess what? You're going to build great mobility in your shoulders. And you know how shoulders are very prone to injuries because they're very unstable. So when you do exercise like the handstand, handstand push-ups, it builds amazing mobility, especially when you're holding your body weight up, and then your shoulders become strong, and then you can just punch stronger wrist. Like, that's why you can do the 2-finger push-up. You just feel like Bruce Lee's real strength, raw strength. It's more functional. You're going to get muscular endurance, muscular strength, joint strength, endurance all at once. Okay, reason number 4 why you should start calisthenics is, I want you to think about it this way. You want to learn a skill, right? So let's say you're doing push-ups and you want to learn the 1-arm push-ups. It's going to be very difficult. You're going to try to, like, okay, that's impossible and I can't do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to sit there thinking about, oh my God, I need to do the 1-arm push-up. It's going to be very impressive and just take my, strength and muscle gains to the next level. So now you have a mission. You're going to put yourself on a mission. You're going to discipline yourself to start showing up regularly and actually putting in the work so you can achieve that skill. And then you're going to fail and fail and fail, and you're going to feel discouraged. You want to quit, but you're like, no, I'm going to do it. Because now you just want to get that skill. I just kept failing. I thought I'll never get it. And then over time, you build the discipline, you build the toughness in your mind to go through every workout so you can get that goal. And you get the goal, you feel like a boss. Because now you're actually not just working to increase sets and reps and bicep curls and stuff like that. You're actually working to achieve this skill, which not any person can do. Anyone can go and do a bicep curl. Like, let's be honest, they can lower the weight and just work their way up to increase the weight. Calisthenics is different. You're learning a skill. You're learning to adapt your body to do something which it's not used to, like the handstand. Your body's not used to be upside down on your hands. So to get yourself to get there to that level, it's going to take a lot of discipline, a lot of mental toughness, and next thing you know, you're like, and it transfers to other areas in your life, and you're like, damn, bro, I'm more focused here. I'm stronger now because I can go through any obstacle, and this sets you up for real life. So it's no joke. And finally, reason number 5 why you should start calisthenics right now. It's customizable for all levels. So you're thinking now, okay, I'm a beginner, but how can I just start doing handstands right off the bat? You're not gonna have to. You're gonna have to customize something similar to the handstands, easier variation than handstand, or easier variation than the push-up. Some of you might not be able to do push-ups like regular push-ups, and it's completely fine. Everyone starts somewhere, and you start somewhere and you just gotta keep leveling up every single month. And this brings me to the 3 days challenge. The 3 days challenge is basically a 3 days challenge which you're gonna start, and it's gonna guide you for all levels. And here's the beauty of it. You will probably unlock your first calisthenics skills and build like real strength within just 3 days. People are doing the 3 days challenge and are already unlocking calisthenics skills, and they've never done calisthenics in their lives, and they're new to working out, and they already are unlocking skills. And not only that, there is a prize if you complete the challenge. You're gonna get access to free sessions with me one-on-one and a free customizable workout for you so you can start following and just change your life in the next few months or few weeks, few days actually. So while you're sitting behind, you're being left behind, people are actually achieving their goals and are moving forward. Do not be the guy who's left behind. The link is down below. Sign up, join, start the 3 days challenge. It's going to change your life. There's also a beautiful community of people who are like-minded and are going to push you in. You know, when you're in an environment where everyone is hustling, you're going to become a hustler and you're going to change your life. Otherwise, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like and also subscribe, because there's going to be a lot of videos and tutorials that will help you with calisthenics in the long run. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the 3 days challenge. Peace.